Hi, my name is Maria Garcia, and this is my presentation for technology in the global arena. My topic is whistleblowing and why the United States needs stronger legal protection. Think about the biggest scandals of the last 20 years. Most of them were not found by auditors or regulators. They were exposed by employees who decided to speak up. We call them whistleblowers. Today, I want to show you three things. 1. Whistleblowers protect all of us. 2. The legal protections in the United States are too weak. And 3. Ethics and other countries show us how to fix it. Here is my plan. First, what whistleblowing is and how it connects to technology. Then the main law and its problem, retaliation, the counter arguments, and ethical analysis with two theories, and a global analysis with three countries. So, what is whistleblowing? It happens when an employee reports illegal or harmful practice inside their organization to someone who can act on it. It can be internal, like company hotline, or external, like regulators or the media. In government, reports are usually about waste or abuse of powers. In companies, are about fraud or safety problems. Why is this a technology issue? Two reasons. First, big tech is now a main stage for whistleblowing. In 2021, a former employee of a major social media company revealed internal research showing the company knew its platform was harming users. Second, technology changed whistleblowing itself. Secure digital channels now let employers report while protecting their identity. And whistleblowers really matters. Audits happen once in a while, but employees see the daily operations, so they catch problem early. In the private sector, about 40% of all fraud cases are detected thanks to employee reports. But it only works if the person who speaks up is protected. The main federal law is the Whistleblower Protection Act of 1989. It covers most federal employees. It protects reports about breaking the law, wasting public funds, or abusing power, or putting public health in danger, as long as the employee reasonably believes the report is true. If the agency retaliates, the Office of Special Counsel investigates, and the employee can appeal to a special board. The law was made stronger in 2012, but there are serious gaps. Gap 1. The law only covers federal employees. Private workers depend on many separate laws, and some workers have no protection at all. Gap 2. The process is slow. Cases can take years, while the whistleblower has no job or works in a hostile place. Gap 3. The system reacts late. It pays you back after the damage instead of preventing it. Gap 4. Some groups, like national security workers, have even less protection. So, what does retaliation look like? Sometimes it is direct. You get fired, suspended, or never promoted. Often it is subtle. Bad reviews, isolation, harassment, or a blacklist that follows you in the industry. The cost is huge. Lost income, stress, damage, damaged reputation. And research shows that the fear of retaliation is one of the main reasons employees stay silent. Now, the counterarguments. The first one says whistleblowing is disloyal. The philosopher Ronald Duska responds, loyalty is owned to people, not to corporations. A company exists to make profit, so reporting its wrongdoing breaks no real moral duty. The second one says protections would invite false claims. But the law only protects reports that employees reasonably believe are true. A false report gets zero protection. Now, the ethical analysis with two theories. The ontology from Kant judge action by moral duties, not results. An employee who knows about serious wrongdoing has a duty to be honest and to prevent harm. How the hiding fraud treats the public as a means to an end, and Kant forbids that. Utilitarianism judges actions by the greatest good for the greatest number. The benefits of exposing wrongdoing truly outweigh the harm to one company. So both theories agree. Justified whistleblowing is ethical, and punish it is unethical. Now the global analysis with three systems. The United Kingdom passed one single law in 1998 that covers workers in every sector. The European Union went further in 2019. Companies must have reporting channels, and the burden of proof is reserved, so the employer has to prove it was not retaliation. And South Africa shows the other side. It passed a law in 2000, but research shows that weak enforcement and fear still keep people silent. A law on paper is not the same as real protection. So, three lessons for the United States. 1. A single law that covers all workers, like the United Kingdom. 2. Put the burden of proof on the employer, like the European Union. And 3. Invest in enforcement and culture, because South Africa shows that words on paper are not enough. To finish, whistleblowers are one of the best tools we have against corruption and fraud, including in the tech industry. But in the United States, the law covers too few workers, moves too slowly, and reacts too late. Both ethical theories said the same. Whistleblowing is ethical, and protecting it is an obligation. Other countries showed the way: broader coverage, faster processes, and stronger enforcement. So the people who protect the public are protected too. Thank you.